Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be installing Benlari LED turn signal lights on my Harley Davidson Sportster. Thanks for joining me. So I've got these LED turn signal lights. They are LEDs for my Sportster. I got them from Benlari. And so I'm going to show you how to install these and then show you what they look like once they are installed. So let's go ahead and get started. Now first I'm going to show you what it looks like with the standard bulbs. First I'll show you the front. And then the back of the bike. Alright, and that's what they look like right now with the standard bulbs in here. But let's go ahead and get this switched out to these LEDs, and then we'll see what it looks like then. So I'm going to start off by showing you what comes in the box. So open this up here. It comes with instructions. And it's got some lens covers here. It's got some adapters. Depending on how big your turn signal housings are will depend on which adapters you'll use. And then it also has the LEDs. And then it also has some adapters for the LEDs. So these should just plug in the front. And there you go. These are for the front. The front ones don't come with an adapter. So these will just plug right into where the existing bulbs are. So we'll go ahead and get these installed. All right, so I'll start by removing the lens cover. Then with the cover off, you just twist this bulb and it comes out. Alright, so based on the size of this, I just use this white one here, and then this comes off. You punch out the center. So you're just going to put this little ring on the outside of the LED. That way it sits in there a little better. And then that just slides in here and plugs in like the old bulb did. And then we'll put that lens cover back on. I just need to do the same thing on this side on the front. Just twist and remove the bulb. And we'll put that on here. And it just sticks to that outer ring. And we'll put that in here. And put that lens cover back on. Then I just got to do the rear ones. Lens cover off. Take the bulb out. And then the last one. Lens cover off. Light bulb out. Alright, and put that on there. And then twist that bulb in. Alright, that's on. So now we'll try this out, see what they look like. Alright, so we'll see what these look like here. They're actually pretty bright. There's the left one. And there's the right one. And now we'll look at the ones on the rear. And there's the left. And there's the right. Alright, well I think I really like the way these look. They seem to work easy enough. They were easy to install. What do you think about them? Leave a comment below. I'm also going to put a link to the item in the description below as well in case you want to get some of these for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.